Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a broker to MT5 in 2026. Now for that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your phone. You can do it based on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. So after doing this, you just have to launch your MT5 application. When you launch it, you are going to see the plus icon here. So after tapping on it, it will ask you to find the broker. So here you just have to first of all look for that particular broker which you want to connect to your MT5 account. For example, let's say if you have an account here with Vantage, you can just simply look for Vantage here. Now, when you search for Vantage, you are going to see 5 different options over here, but you need to select the correct server. So you must be wondering how you are supposed to find the correct server, right? So in order to find the correct server, you need to go back to your broker's application or the website. When you log in into your broker's account, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. In those credentials, you are going to get your right server details as well. So when you copy the exact same server here in the search bar, you will find it here in this list. After that, simply tap on that server, then copy and paste those credentials from your broker's account's dashboard. Then you need to simply paste them over here one by one. Then tap on the option of login, and this way you can connect any of the brokers to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.